Dear Executive Committee members, this is the 7th of January 2018, and I'm here at the TOC farm, which was bought 16 years ago. I'm happy to report to you that this administration has now begun to do something about this farm. We'll be able to be showing you the cattle that we have just bought and put on this property. We will show you the millies that have been planted that are coming up, and we're excited. And then we will show you the sunflower that has been planted here as well. Then we will show you the possible developments of a school, of a chalets, and a conference center. Come with me as we show you the farm. We currently have 7 bonds maras that we have started with, and this is just the beginning. We are looking forward to increase this stock to about 50 by 2019. These are young bonds maras that have not yet had the privilege of having a bull on them. And beginning of this year, we are going to buy 2 bulls that have been donated to us by 2 lay members, and we are hoping that by the time they come into the kraal here, the bonds maras will be ready to be able to conceive and give birth to many more. We are going to buy, but we are going to depend also on them increasing naturally. We want to keep this cattle so that we can be able from time to time be able to go to the auction and be able to sell this cattle so that we can be able to have an investment fund that will begin and not depend on the tithe money only. So ladies and gentlemen, come with me now as we look into the wild, where they will be spending their time, where they will be eating, where they will be grazing from time to time, so that they can be what we want them to be.
As you can see, the cattle coming out from the kraal, going into the grazing land, which starts from here, and then it goes down this field, and then it goes right across to the main road, and then it goes up to the main gate. There is enough land for the cattle to graze. There is enough land for agriculture, for planting plants, and then you can go even over across, passing the substation from Eskom. There is enough land for grazing and also for agriculture.
This is a place where we have the millies and also the sunflower. How interesting that in less than a month we are able to see and be co-creators with God. When we put these millies 3 weeks ago, and this sunflower, there was nothing here. But all of a sudden, there is life. And this life signifies the life that is beginning to take place in the TOC. As you look behind me, in the far distant there, you will be able to see the other farms. And we want the TOC farm to be even more beautiful than those farms. And we're looking forward to that.
Ke nna Isaac Setlapelo ke nna ke lebeletseng farm ena farm e ke ratela gore e lokile ena le mmu o siamileng mmu a teng o e le goreng di crop engwe le engwe e ka nna ya mela mo mmung o ene ka mogo ke shebileng ka teng ke farm e le goreng e santsane e ka tswella pele ka mmu wa yona le leruo ke farm wa leruo ke farm e le goreng ga ke shebella ga dipula di ntse dina e ka ntsha mojo o le mongata mo plekeng ya rona ke nagana re feditse.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've just eaten marapa here, which is a fruit that is found in one of the trees on our farm. It's so sweet and it has a bitter taste. I think it's good for the stomach. We've now come to the end of our land. Just in front of me here, we have a fence that divides us with our neighbor, where we have the big cats, we have the lions and the cheetahs and all those. And then on where I'm standing is a place where we can put upmarket chalets, where the who's who of the Seventh-day Adventist and the public can come and be able to rest a while here. There's a river running down under those trees, in those trees there. Then over there, on top there, that's a place where we can build a school, we can build a conference center, we can build a media center, we can build our dormitories, we can have a good place there, and we already have the bricks in the form of the stones, which we can convert into beautiful bricks. What we have seen today, you've been to the cattle place with us this morning, you've seen where we have the Magalies, you have seen where we have the sunflower, we've crossed the road, you've seen where we can put beautiful chalets, and now we are here at the end. May it be that God who has given us this vision, can help us to make it a reality. And God bless you.